Arctostaphylos Byrd Hill, spelled B-Y-R-D. Byrd Hill Manzanita. This Manzanita is absolutely stunning. So this one in particular gets 10 to 12 feet tall. It's about 6 to 7 feet wide. It takes full sun to full shade. It has bell-shaped white flowers in the winter. Now, like most manzanitas, it is slow growing, but the reason why I highly recommend this, especially for color, this bark is gorgeous. Now it does peel, so you can kind of peel it off. I wouldn't recommend taking your hands and actively peeling it because you can get cut, much like a paper cut. But if you have room for a plant like this and you're willing to be patient, this plant is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. And if you put a light to this with a plant that has like a great green leaf, oh. And the other thing to note with this specific Manzanita is that it does not have an invasive root system. And as you can see here, it's grown very close to this straw bale office, and it's not destroyed the office whatsoever.